Hello guys, welcome to a new easy tutorial video, where today I will show you how to create a beautiful particles logo animation in After Effects, like this one here. So let's start. First, let's import the files we need into After Effects. You can download the full project and the files from the link in the description. Now we are going to create a new composition. We'll name it Intro. I'm using the full HD 1080 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 9 seconds long. Now click on Text tool and write some text. You can use any type of image or text logos. I will use a text layer for this tutorial. Align your text, or logo, then right-click on it and pre-compose it. Name this new composition, Logo. Don't forget to check this option. Now, select your new composition, and click Ctrl-D to duplicate it. Uncheck this box, to make the bottom layer invisible. Select the top layer, then go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the CC ball action. Apply this effect on your composition. Now, change its settings like this. Set twist property to random. Change grid spacing to 3. And ball size to 60. Click on the scatter's stopwatch to create a keyframe, and change its value to 500. Move forward to 1 second, and change this value back to 0. Move your cursor to 20 frames, click on this stopwatch and change this value to 350. Now, move to 2 seconds, and change this value back to 0. Click Q on your keyboard, to display all the keyframes. Select all of them, then press F9 to ease them. Now, open the graph editor, and drag this handles like this. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Glow. Apply it to your layer. Now, make this layer visible again, select it, and then press T, to open the opacity. Create a keyframe here, and set the opacity to 0%. Move 10 frames forward, and change the opacity to 100%. Now, select the top layer, and move to 2 seconds. Press T, to open the opacity. Create a keyframe here. Move forward to 4 seconds, and change the opacity to 0%. Select all these keyframes, and press F9 to ease them. Let's create a new camera. I'm using the 35mm preset. Check this box to make your bottom logo layer 3D. Now select the camera layer and press P, to open its position settings. Create a keyframe here, then move to the last frame and lower this value as much as you need. Select both keyframes, then click F9 to ease them. Now, move your cursor to 7 seconds and select the bottom logo layer. Click P, to open the position settings, and create a keyframe. Move 10 frames forward, and change the Z value to around -3000. Select both keyframes, then click F9 to ease them. Let's add it some motion blur too. Click on this box. And then click here to activate it. Now, drag the sound effect and the smoke to your composition. Move to 15 frames, and drag the smoke layer like this. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Fill. Apply it to your smoke layer. And change this color to something appropriate for your project. I will use this dark blue. Now select the layer and press T to open the opacity, then change its value to 65%. Let's check our final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about how to create a simple particle logo reveal in After Effects. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. See you soon.